Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something exciting to unbox and review, the Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G. Let's dive right in and see what's inside the box. As we open it up, we are greeted with the stunning smartphone itself. The sleek design and vibrant color immediately catch our attention. Taking a closer look, we notice the impressive 6.9-inch display with its edge-to-edge design. This means you can enjoy your favorite content with an immersive viewing experience. Not to mention, the display is also equipped with 5G capabilities, allowing for faster and smoother connectivity. Moving on, we discover the powerful camera system that Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G has to offer. With its quad camera setup, including a 64-megapixel primary lens, you can capture every moment in stunning detail. Whether it's beautiful landscapes or dynamic portraits, this phone has got you covered. Not only that, but the Camon 20 Premier 5G also boasts a wide range of camera features. From night mode for low-light photography to AI beauty mode for flawless selfies, the possibilities are endless. Now, let's talk about the performance. Inside this phone, we find a MediaTek Helio G90T processor, which ensures smooth multitasking and gaming. And with a massive 4,500 mAh battery, you can enjoy all-day usage without worrying about running out of power. To top it all off, the Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G comes with a generous 128 GB of storage, providing ample space for all your apps, photos, and videos. Plus, you can expand it even further with a microSD card. In conclusion, the Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G offers a stunning design, a powerful camera system, and impressive performance. With its 5G capabilities, you can stay connected at lightning-fast speeds. So, if you're looking for a smartphone that ticks all the boxes, the Camon 20 Premier 5G is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching our unboxing and review video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content.